Allama Iqbal short essay in English. Allama Iqbal was born in Sialkot on November 9, 1877. His father's name was Sheikh Nur Muhammad. He got his early education there. Then he passed his MA from Government College Lahore. He went abroad for higher studies. He wrote many poems for children. He gave the idea of Pakistan. He is our national poet. His poetry gave us hope. He died on April 21, 1938. For written English essay, please visit this site, link given in description. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.